Spider-Man. Oh. Hey, what's up, guys? Sam here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I have the Spider-Man update. I run so fast. I can also, yeah. I don't know how many blood. So this is a test how. And look, I have so many hearts. I can live so long. Yeah. Then. Yeah. Then. Oh, here. I'm running. Yep. Can you put it closer? Like that. No. Right up so everyone can see it.
Okay.
That's not enough. You're gonna put it like this. Right there. Get it closer. There we go.
Okay.
I can run super fast. Let me see if I can swim really fast. No, I can't swim really fast. But I can run really fast. I like having the Spider-Man texture pack on because they have a phone. Like, who has a phone? Who needs a phone? I need a phone. Alright, now I'm going in my house. In my awesome house. I have a phone. So I can do what I can do. I can play video games, call somebody, even play Minecraft. Text somebody, watch some YouTube videos, troll people. I mean, get them calls. Spider-Man. I'm a Spider-Man. Yeah.
You're a Spider-Man.
I'm Spider-Man. Don't judge Spider-Man.
No.
He's fast and sticky
He's fast,
legs.
not you.
He's sticky legs.
Yeah.
He has sticky legs.
Wow.
Well, I have a web a web shooter. Spider-Man. Yep, I'm not going to go in there with those sounds. And bam, bada bam, bada bam. This is my my normal speed. And this is my sprint speed. Bam, da bear. Alright, let me give you a tour of my house. I'm running too fast, I can't control myself.
Hey.
So this is why I am taking it off. I'm gonna only wear the boots.
Yeah, it's the second tour of your house.
Yes, second tour of my house. So this
second
is awesome.
tour in one night.
Oh, so when you get in the world, this is what you do. You get in the crib, in my club.
No. I
I'm
don't
just
want.
kidding.
I don't want visit your club again.
Just kidding. My club is when you join the game, you get in the club right easily. All right. So if you wanna play and if you wanna hang out, you gotta get a visit. What?
No.
You gotta if you wanna visit my if you wanna get my
Where you hang up with your friend?
No.
Who is your friend?
Steve too.
Steve?
My other friend on the on my other account.
Oh, other account?
Yeah, I have account on the
other iPad.
Yeah. Sao nó làm một cái video?
Yeah, it's the time to go to sleep now.
Whatever.
Yeah, say goodbye to your friend.
Fine.
Yeah, fine.
That was so quick.
Yeah. It's on time.
Bye, guys.